Most people look at a cookbook and just see tasty meals, but people following a plant-based diet look at a cookbook and they see better health, improved wellness, and of course, if the cookbook is good enough, they see tasty meals too. That's why veganism is finally going mainstream, and it's cookbooks, like the Plant-Based Cookbook, that are responsible. The big problem with going plant-based has never been starting. That's the easy bit. It's sticking with it long enough to see the enormous benefits that people struggle with. Because finding enough recipes to give you variety and enjoyment in what you eat, as well as making sure you get all the nutrition your mind and body needs to thrive, can feel like a full-time job. And there are a lot of reasons people choose to go plant-based. Muscle growth, fat loss, clearer skin, gut health, improved libido, reduced risks of diabetes and heart disease, and combating obesity are just a handful of the reasons to go plant-based. Or perhaps you simply want to live a healthier all-round lifestyle. And here's the thing, whatever your personal reasons are for going plant-based, there are typically only two reasons that you'll fail. Poor nutrition, that forces you to go back to more familiar eating patterns, or a lack of variety boring you back into meat or dairy. Many people complain about the time it takes to prepare vegan meals, but truth be told, it's no different to preparing meat-based meals. It's just that people don't have those handy, quick and easy fallback meals that are plant-based. Once you have those, you'll never complain about the time it takes to prepare a plant-based meal ever again. And that's one reason the Plant-Based Cookbook is so good, because it gives you a 30-day quick start to get you fully into eating vegan with all the tools and recipes you need to create those quick and easy fallback meals. But it offers so much more than that. The main cookbook gives you over 100 mouthwatering recipes. That's more than enough to cover all your mealtimes and never get bored of eating the same meal over and over again. Although, to be fair, a few of them look so tasty you probably will want to put them on high rotation. And not only do you get 100 recipes, but each one is nutritionally balanced, designed to get the maximum nutrition into your body while helping reduce or eliminate toxins. But I think the biggest reason this cookbook is so successful is that it's a cookbook for real people. And sure, it's been put together by a professional chef. That's why the recipes work and the nutrition is on point. But the Plant-Based Cookbook also incorporates the knowledge, needs and desires of hundreds of people actively living the plant-based diet, which is why all the recipes just seem to make sense and fit in with whatever your lifestyle demands. So if you're looking for an easy way to go plant-based, and you want to make sure you don't lapse back into meat and dairy due to bad nutrition or boring food, check out this cookbook. And check it out while it's selling much cheaper than your favourite pizza. Your body will thank you. If you click that link below this video, you'll go through to the sales page where you can see much more about the cookbook and the massive health benefits associated with switching to plant-based diets. And if you like what you see and you buy the Plant-Based Cookbook through us, then it gets even better. Because we've put together an exclusive bonus that makes cooking and eating the plant-based version of all your favourite meals easier than ever. The Guide to Plant-Based Substitutions covers all the common food substitutions, like what to use instead of butter and how much. And it covers some uncommon ones that, once tasted, you'll never want to be without. Like, for example, every vegan's secret weapon, calendar mac. I'm pretty sure this guide will become so instantly useful to you that it's the kind of thing that you're going to want to print out in PDF form so you can keep it in your kitchen. All you need to do is click the button and you'll be taken through to the Plant-Based Cookbook sales page where you can click any button for a secure checkout. It's a wonderful cookbook and you're going to be very happy you've got it.